software fits with us very good because it allows us to prepare some types of calculations and comparisons without a big amount of resources from our side. The feedback from the support team or the technical team from RatedPower is pretty good, so they always trying to improve the software in order to satisfy their customer. In my case, the feedback always is pretty good. The main goal that we have using this software is to compare our different equipment. Usually, our customers, what they ask to us is, okay, I have this location in this certain PV plant. What should I use? A string inverter with which type of string inverter, or maybe it's a little bit better for us a central inverter. And it's pretty tough to say something about it without taking in account some measurements that you have to do it by engineers usually. But in that case, we use this software in order to compare these cases. We don't have a team in order to develop these studies, and we need a software that must provide us some versatility in order to fulfill the requirements of our customers. We need a software that provide us this simplicity or flexibility in order to do what we want it to do, but a less amount of resources, let's say. And some softwares of your competitors need more resources from our part in order to develop this calculation. What I would tell is quick, because usually when you contact them, usually they give you like a couple of days in the same day, and they ask you, when does it better for you, or when does it when it fit better for you. So I think that they are pretty good because it allowed us to compare, for example, a central inverter against a string inverter in a certain PV plant. So imagine that you have shading in this PV plant, or I don't know, you are between mountains, let's say, and usually in those cases, the customer say, okay, is it worth it to use a string inverter instead of a central inverter? And it's pretty tricky to say yes when you use the string inverters because of the multi-MPPT. But to be honest, you have to calculate it case by case, because it will depend. So it helped us a lot in order to prepare those comparisons among our string inverters and our central inverters.